Think ChatGPT is complicated? I thought so too. No tech background, just curiosity. And yes, I'm living proof you don't have to be a digital native to make this work. In this video, you'll watch me go from nothing to signed up, logged in, and getting my first AI wow moment. And by the end, you'll have ChatGPT up and running too, even if you've never touched AI before. First, let's get ChatGPT on your screen. Go to chat.openai.com, sign up, and log in. If you can sign up for Netflix, you've got the skills for this. A prompt is just what you type, your question or request. Let's try one together. Write me a grocery list for 2 people for 1 week, under $50. Boom. You've just used AI. No coding, no jargon, just plain English. Pretty easy. Or you could make it specific, like gluten-free or meals with 5 ingredients or less. Here are a few other prompts I love that work for anyone just starting out. For example, I asked ChatGPT to plan a 1-day trip to Chicago, and it suggested a morning at Millennium Park, lunch at a deep dish pizza spot, and an afternoon boat tour. You can get as detailed as you want, add time limits, a budget, or even the vibe you're going for, and ChatGPT will customize it. The crazy part? You can tweak it. Want a kid-friendly version or an all-museum day? Just ask, and it reshuffles the plan instantly. Save your favorite prompts in a notebook or your phone's notes app. Trust me, you won't remember the good ones later. I started with a simple idea. What if Ramsey could step into different worlds? First, a timeless storybook scene, then a dash of steampunk flair, and suddenly, he's Lord Ramsey III, Duke of Squirrel Patrol. All of it created in seconds with just a few prompts. Okay, so I wanted to see if I could take my corgi Ramsey and turn him into a full-on 3D animated steampunk time traveler. And guess what? I didn't need any animation skills to do it. I went over to the GPT store, which is just over here on the left, and found this one called Animation Creation. It lets you create animated scenes and characters that look like something straight out of a Pixar movie. What I did was I uploaded a photo of Ramsey so that it could match his fur colors, markings, and that adorable corgi shape. Then I gave it this really specific prompt. Steampunk Victorian city, little leather aviator cap, goggles, a brass compass on a strap, a satchel, airships in the sky, and of course, those big curious eyes. I hit generate, and a few seconds later, oh my gosh, I love this so much. Look at him. He's ready to hop into a time machine and save the day. Here's the super easy, beginner-friendly way to make magic. No complicated software, no stress. I just pop these images into Canva. Think of it as an online design playground. I added a little music, a few fun touches, and boom, Ramsey's epic adventure is ready for the big screen. And that was Ramsey's epic adventure. I still can't get over how fun that was to make. The best part, it was so easy. I didn't need any fancy animation skills, just a creative idea, a quick prompt, and a few clicks in an AI tool. If you can dream it, you can create it. You can make a birthday animation for your friend, turn your pet into a superhero, design a mini travel postcard from your dream vacation spot, or even storyboard an idea for a children's book. So whether it's for fun, for a project, or just to make someone smile, AI tools like this make it possible for anyone to create something magical. And Ramsey, he's already packing for his next time travel mission. And that's the fun part. ChatGPT isn't just useful, it's surprisingly creative. So, I want to know, what would you try first? Groceries, travel, or turning your pet into a superhero? Let me know in the comments. You guys, I am having so much fun and I'm learning so many new different things with AI and ChatGPT. This video was a lot of fun. It was a lot of work, but I enjoyed every minute of it. Animating Ramsey as a time traveler was really cute. I have a lot more really cool things to show you coming up. I hope you stick around. I hope you subscribe. I hope you like this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.